Next up, we have our second specification. Specification 2 asks us to explain the importance of magnesium ions for making chlorophyll. So, in this part, we'll focus on the role of magnesium in the production of chlorophyll, that green pigment we often associate with healthy plants. Now, chlorophyll isn't just for color. It plays a central role in photosynthesis, the process by which plants make their food. Magnesium plays a key role in the structure of chlorophyll, the green pigment inside leaves that's absolutely essential for photosynthesis. Without enough magnesium, a plant simply can't produce enough chlorophyll. And if a plant lacks chlorophyll, it struggles to carry out photosynthesis properly. Remember, chlorophyll is the part that captures sunlight during photosynthesis. So if there's not enough of it, the plant can't take in and convert light energy into chemical energy efficiently. That means the plant ends up producing less food, which limits its growth and even its ability to form flowers and fruits. But magnesium isn't the only mineral a plant needs. There are several other essential nutrients too, like nitrogen, phosphorus, and potassium. Plants take in these minerals through their root hair cells, and they do this by a process called active absorption, where the plant uses energy to pull in mineral ions from the soil. So, overall, magnesium is not just helpful, it's absolutely necessary for healthy growth, proper photosynthesis, and the overall well-being of the plant. And interestingly, magnesium sits right at the heart of the chlorophyll molecule, literally. If you look at its chemical structure, you'll see a central magnesium ion holding it all together. Magnesium is absolutely essential. Without enough of it, plants can't produce sufficient chlorophyll, which directly affects their ability to carry out photosynthesis. And that means less energy, less food, and slower growth. So how do plants get magnesium? They absorb it through their root hairs from the soil, taking it in as magnesium ions through a process called active absorption. Now, if a plant doesn't get enough magnesium, you'll start to see clear signs. One of the most noticeable symptoms is chlorosis, that's when the leaves start turning yellow. This happens because there's not enough chlorophyll, and chlorophyll is what gives leaves the green color. So to sum it up, magnesium is vital for making chlorophyll, and without it, plants can't photosynthesize properly, which affects the growth, health, and overall productivity.